Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I do my braided and my sewing for my curly hair. If you like a more detailed video on how I do my sewings, I will go ahead and link that up above. So right here, my hair is already moisturized as well as my scalp, so I'm just sectioning out my hair so I can start braiding to start the whole sewing process. Guys, when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your hair is very moisturized. You will have your hair up. This is supposed to be a protective style, so you want to make sure your hair is very moisturized. I will only be using braiding here for the perimeter of my hair, just to give my hair a little bit more strength. I don't want to put too much tension at the front of my hair. This helps me to avoid breakage. Halfway through my braid, I will be bringing the last braid I braided up into that braid, and I will just continue this process until I'm completely done. After braiding, I like to place a mesh cap over my hair before I start sewing on. This also helps avoid too much tension on my actual hair. For this install, I'm using 4 bundles of 22-inch raw Indian curly hair. She is bouncing, she is flipping, she is laid. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe.